As we continue to add and subtract rational expressions with like denominators, we have to consider what happens if we have a minus sign in between our two fractions. Well, what I want you to do is I want you to combine our two fractions in the top with parentheses. But we're going to put a minus 1 in between. And that minus 1 is going to be a very clear telltale sign that we need to distribute that negative 1 to both parts before we continue. So let's do that. X plus 4 minus 2x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Hopefully by writing a minus 1 up top there, we're going to eliminate the problem of trying to do too much in our heads and make the problem a whole lot easier to understand. So x minus 2x is minus 1x, and 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Here we have negative x plus 2 over positive x minus 2. Just like in the previous problem, hopefully you realize that these two are opposites of each other. Both the x's and the 2's are opposite, and so opposites cancel to negative 1. Now, if you didn't recognize that fact, maybe you can think, how could that top be rewritten? Well, that is really 2 minus x. Maybe it's easier for you to recognize opposites if you rewrite it with the number in front. So let's look at number 6. We have 4x plus 7 minus, notice the minus there, x minus 2. So let's rewrite the numerator in parentheses, minus 1 times x minus 2, and this is all over x plus 3. Now let's distribute 4x plus 7. We're distributing the minus 1 to both the x and the minus 2. So minus 1x plus 2 all over x plus 3. As we simplify this out, that gives us 3x, 7 and 2 make 9, over x plus 3. Like on all of our problems, we're going to ask ourselves, are we done? Well, before we say we're done, we need to always consider, is there a GCF that comes out? And so my question is there a GCF? Well, sure there is. The GCF on the top is 3. That leaves us with an x plus 3 on the top and an x plus 3 on the bottom. Hopefully by now you're thinking those two are going to cancel, which means our final answer is just positive 3.